Hey, Patrick here. Today, I just want to remind you that we need to get your social accounts connected in Social Post Wizard in order to show all of the amazing content we're creating for you out on the World Wide Web and just get amazing responses from your prospects and customers. So when you log into app.socialpostwizard.com into your account, you'll look at something like this. You're going to come down to Workspace, and in Workspace, you're going to see a button that says Socials on it. And on Socials, you're just going to click on any and all of these that you already have for your business. For example, let's pretend I didn't have this connected yet. I would just come in here and hit Connect. Note, you want to read this. You're going to make sure that it says opt into all current and future businesses, because if you're like me, I have multiple business pages that I manage in Facebook. Then you're going to hit continue, and it's going to open up a look like this. It says, do you want to reconnect? And this is obviously me, not you. And then you're going to connect. And when the connect button comes up, it's going to have a little box here that says select a page. And you're just going to come down here. If you have multiple pages like me, find the one that you want to connect. In this case, I'm going to connect Social Post Wizard. Let's connect that one. And we're going to hit continue. And that's all there is to it. Now it's connected to Social Post Wizard. Before it was connected to My Biz Suite. But you can just do the same thing over and over again as you go through these. Just connect. Like if I had an X account I wanted to connect, I would connect here and follow it through and just follow the instructions that are on here to log in to your account. Okay? That's how you're going to do it.